Well, here's the bottom line. Again, the laboratory data for 5 racers, 5 different RPM, 5 different watt power outputs. When you look at the bottom curve on this, the 100 watt curve, you realize as you go out somewhere between 100 and 110 RPM, if you just drew a line back, if you rode at 60 with that heart rate, you'd be producing 150 watts. So there's a huge amount of power that's lost as your heart rate's going up at 100 watts that could have been used to produce more power at 60 RPM. So in this chart, I've picked the points where you would lose 20 watts of power as you go up in RPM. So for the bottom curve, at 84 RPM, you're losing 20 watts of power. Your heart rate is high enough that if you were riding at 60 RPM, you'd be producing 20 more watts, which is sort of shown by the green triangle there. Kind of think of that as a pond, and what you want to do is lower the amount of water in the pond by lowering your RPM. That's wasted energy. And you can see that as you go up to 150, it's slightly higher, 85 RPM, 85.3. For 200 watts, the heart rate is 88, the RPM is 88, at which you're wasting 20 watts. For 250, the RPM is 91, at which you're wasting 20 watts. And on the 300 watt curve, when you hit 93 RPM, you're wasting 20 watts. In other words, you could have been doing 320 watts at 60 RPM. So that's the bottom line. Enjoy it.